1719 Woodlawn. It's not in bad shape. Just go ahead and kind of paint, touch up this white trim, up here and around here. If it's needed around the doors, something like that, touch that up. Paint the door red. Go ahead and paint the porch here like a gray or silver. And paint this down here like a gray, and then paint this facing here white, paint the steps white, and then paint all of this, the whole walkway, either gray or silver. Same thing. You can leave this one alone, don't do anything there. And then on the inside, make sure to get this touched up here. So that looks good. Yeah, paint that white. On the inside, all these hardwoods, I want to paint them just like we did Warman. Yeah, all these hardwoods. Paint these like a dark color. Yeah, nothing you can do here. Except actually we could clean. Just kind of mop these plank floors or whatever they are. Mop those up.